Hey, what's going on, guys? If you were on the Sunday call today, you will remember that I talked about sharing kind of a tale of two meals here for the Super Bowl coming up. And what I wanted to do was a little exercise here on MyFitnessPal of tracking some of the common foods that I think I would typically eat going to, like, let's say, a Super Bowl party or hosting a Super Bowl party. And I wanted to basically just log the food that I would do and then also show you the difference in the second meal on how much the calorie creepers will take up the calories that you already have set. And based off of that, you can kind of like strategize your best way to approach how to eat at these events and these parties and stuff like that. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and just jumped to a different day on MyFitnessPal so I can start tracking. And I basically wanted to track a dinner. And so some of the common foods that I did was I put some fries, like let's say some people order some Wingstop. So I rang in a half order of fries in there. You probably might eat less, just kind of snacking around. I put in a 10-piece wing. I used Pluckers there. You can see that that one is a 10-piece wing. Fried wings is about a 720 calories there. I also included some chips. Usually people put out some chips and salsa and guac or some nacho cheese. And so I went ahead and marked tortilla chips. I rang it up as just 10 generic chips. That was 160 calories. And let's say you're craving also something sweet later on in the evening and somebody made some brownies. I went ahead and put in a 2-inch by 2-inch square of brownies, which is 129 calories. I also included a slice of pizza because I know Super Bowl wings and pizza go hand in hand. So I added one slice of pepperoni pizza. That's about 300 calories. So you're looking right there at about a 1,500 calorie meal. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and ring in some of the additional calorie creepers in here, and then I'll show you the difference. Okay guys, so I've already added everything in here. So some of the stuff that I added, let's go down the line. So let's say that for your wings, you like to have some ranch dressing, maybe also for your fries and maybe for your pizza. Let's say you eat about like a 2-ounce small cup of ranch dressings worth. That basically bumps everything up to 244 calories, takes me over my fat requirement limit. Let's say you also wanted some ketchup for your fries as well. So let's say that was about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I rarely ever see somebody just eating 1 tablespoon of ketchup. So that right there adds about 52 calories. That seems a little bit light for the logging, but I'll let that one slide. Same with this next one with the nacho cheese dip. It says about 38 calories for about, I put in a 1/4 cup of nacho cheese just in case you're dipping for your tortilla chips. And then let's say you're craving a cocktail like me. I would probably have like a Maker's Mark, maybe a double, which is 2 ounces there. It's about 138 calories. And then let's say that they're offering up some ice cream or something with your brownies, and you have a cup or a scoop of ice cream, which is about 0.7 of a cup, and that's another 240 calories. So the difference there, we're looking at 2,226 calories with those additions, okay, which are like condiments and extras and all that stuff. So we're looking at a difference of 726 calories just by those additional options that we have on the side, the dips, the condiments, the drinks, all that stuff. So really it's just kind of to paint a picture of how quick those calories can add up. We went from a 1,500 calorie meal that seemed pretty, pretty good. You got to eat your pizza, you got to eat your wings, you got to eat your chips, you got to have a dessert, all that stuff, 1,500 calories. That's a full-blown meal. But then if you add in all of the extras and you mindlessly go through it and you don't track it, you're looking at almost a 725 calorie difference than what the original meal was. So anyway, I hope this is kind of helpful. I hope this kind of gives you some perspective. If you have any questions, reach out to me. But in the end, enjoy your Super Bowl Sunday. Have a great day. Just be mindful and be conscious of what you eat, and just make sure that you're also tracking it and being honest with yourself. All right, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Talk to you later.